Hello everyone, here I will do unboxing the Siecle Kipper fortune telling deck by Ciro Marchetti. Well, so I buy this from eBay and it's cost around 18.90 US dollar. Not including the shipment cost, okay, and it's shipped to my place in Indonesia, in Bali, around 10 days, I guess. Not too long. It's actually faster than I thought. Anyway, with the standard shipment. Okay, so we open this. I'm really exciting. Wow, beautiful and glowing. It's glowing. And that's the behind with English with 3 supplemental cards. The deck represents human experiences across all echelons of society. Card meanings are provided by 3 expert keeper readers. Includes 39 cards and 83-page illustrated guidebook. Okay, from US Games System. Okay. Anyway, so that's the side and the side. So that's to open it like that. Okay, it's like the other Lenormand I have. So, and very nice boxing. Here is the guidebook, small one. Alright, with the pictures, little small pictures on there. Oh, we have unexpected income. And lovers. Okay, so that's, and also the spread on here. Okay, example of the spread. Okay, I keep there. And here is the cards. Okay, that's the box. You can still use it and put that card on it. Alright. Okay, so I will put that here and I will open the plastic. Okay, so this is the background, black and gray, I think, and oh well, silver on the side. Very nice. It's so amazing, and it's glowing too. Okay, so I put it there. And a little bit about the comparing from the Gilded Reverie. This is the Gilded Reverie Lenormand, okay, and this is the Siecle Kipper. Both is the same from Ciro Marchetti, okay, and the box is also almost the same. Just this one is a little bit bigger or thicker. Anyway, alright, so it's also like that from Ciro Marchetti. This is the Gilded Reverie, okay, and if I comparing that, this is a little bit bigger than the Gilded, a little bit, just almost the same, but anyway. And the other one is the gold and red on the background, and here is the black. You may be interested with both of them. Alright, like that. Ooh. Okay, so let's start. Here is the number 1, main male, and the main female. Gotta put it closer. Okay, like that. A little bit to the middle. Number 3, the marriage. And number 4, courtship. Number 5, mature man with a globe. And number 6 is the mature woman. Okay. Number 7 is the message. Number 8 is the false person. A guy wearing a mask. Hey. And number 9 is the change. Wow. Ready for travel. And here is the 10, the journey. Okay. Number 11, sudden wealth. Looks like the jackpot winning or jackpot game. And then number 12 is the privileged lady. Okay. Number 13 is the wealthy man. And number 14 is the message of concern, like the lady receiving message or read a message. Okay. And number 15 is the lovers. Number 16 is thoughts. Number 17 is the gift. And number 18 is the child, cute child. Looks like me when I kids. And here is the coffin. Number 19 is, and then number 20 is the house, big house. And number 21 is the family room. Number 22, the official person. And number 23 is the courthouse. And number 24 is the thief. Looks like a little child want to take something from the guy, and there is other woman just laughing on him. Okay. And number 25 is the high honor. Okay. Number 26, great fortune. Number 27, the unexpected income. And number 28, expectation. And here the number 29 is the imprisonment. Looks like someone in the jail, and there is a lock, and he tried to reach the key or something. Alright. And number 30 is the adjudication. And number 31 is the bad health, like someone having illness or bed rest. Number 32 is despair. Alright. Number 33, concern. Number 34, occupation. Alright. Number 35 is the pathway. Looks like the long path and the lights. Number 36 is the distant horizons. Number 37 is the poverty. Alright. And number 38 is the toil and labor. Number 39 is the community group. Okay, so that is the 39 cards from the Siecle Kipper. And the difference with the Gilded Reverie is very totally different, alright? And in Gilded there is number of cards from playing cards here, and in here is not, okay? And in Gilded Reverie, Lenormand is 36. Actually on my deck this one is the 36, and here is 39. Okay, so that's all for this unboxing, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye.